The reason why lipstick and nail polish is removed before surgery is, options are surgery become easier, surgery becomes more successful, psychological benefits to the patient, cyanosis is checked. Correct answer is option D. Cyanosis is checked. Blood drawn for complete blood count is collected in, options are EDTA vial, citrate vial, plain vial and chloride vial. Correct option is EDTA vial. Blood drawn for complete blood count is collected in EDTA vial. Montauk's test is the sensitivity test for, options are bronchial asthma, tuberculosis, AIDS and allergic disorders. Correct answer is option B, tuberculosis. Montauk's test is used for the diagnosis of tuberculosis. Electroencephalogram is, options are recording of brainwave activity, recording of peristalsis, recording of heart activity and none of the above. Correct answer is recording of brain wave activity, option A. Electroencephalogram is recording of brain activity. All of the following scales are used to assess risk for pressure sore in patient except, options are water flow scale, Norton scale, Brosset scale and Braden's scale. Correct answer is option C, Brosset scale, which is not used for assessing the risk for pressure sore. Tonometry is the method of measuring. Options are blood pressure in children, blood pressure in elderly, foot pressure, intraocular pressure. Correct answer is option D, intraocular pressure. Tonometry is used to measure intraocular pressure. Malformation of the spine in which the posterior portion of lamina of one or more vertebrae fails to fuse with or without defective development of spinal cord is called. Options are encephalocele, anencephaly, rhachisis, spina bifida. Correct answer is option C, rhachisis. Inability to carry out normal activities despite intact motor function is, options are apraxia, amnesia, anhedonia and apathy. Correct answer is option A, apraxia. Apraxia is the inability to carry out normal activity despite intact motor function. What should be the initial action of a medical surgical nurse if a patient develops slurred speech and disorientation to time and place who sustained a head injury 24 hours ago? Options are recheck the patient's neurologic status in 15 minutes, prepare the patient for surgery, emergency surgery, continue to hourly neurologic assessment, inform the neurosurgeon about the patient's status. Correct answer is option D, inform the neurosurgeon about the patient's status. A person present in emergency. On examination, he is found to open eyes only on painful stimuli. He says inappropriate words and move his limbs on commands. His GCS is, options are 11, 10, 9, 13. Correct answer is option A, 11. Which of the following substance can lead to neurological injury in a newborn known as kernicterus? Options are bile salt, conjugated bilirubin, unconjugated bilirubin and biliverdin. Correct answer is option C, unconjugated bilirubin. Damage to which of the following lead to Guillain-Barré syndrome? Options are brain parenchyma, peripheral nerve system, spinal cord, thyroid gland. Correct answer is option B, peripheral nerve system. Uncoordinated movement of the extremities in a patient with a traumatic brain injury is termed as. Options are ataxia, apraxia, dystonia, dyskinesia. Correct answer is option A, ataxia. What should the nurse do first when a male client is having a tonic-clonic seizure? Options are restrain the client's arm and legs, elevate the head of the bed, place a tongue blade in the client's mouth, take measures to prevent injury. Correct answer is option D, take measures to prevent. All of the following are neurotransmitters except. Options are dopamine, serotonin, GABA and troponin. Correct answer is option D, troponin.